है. So what was his common word there? क्या बोलता था वो? नहीं. It was in a native Fijian language. Native Fijian language में कुछ कहता था वो. One दिन बनाना. तो अभी मैंने एक शॉट देखा बच्चा का वहाँ पे उसने किक किया तो मैंने कहा ये तो वन दिन बनाना शॉट था ना. Do you ever heard that from Josie?
No, but Dhiru bhai.
Commentary नहीं सुनते थे क्या?
सुना ना. तो जब मैं सुना था तो मैं रेमंड स्टुअर्ट का सुना था तो वो बोल रहे थे कि ई माता से ऊ माता.
So you're trying to tell me Josie के time आप डाफा में थे?
Yes. And just to no offense, but just to know, Raymond Stewart always used to say Rewa ke batti buddhi.
It was happening in the Kumu Park. As soon as there's a major spot there or any tournament, I don't know how come the lights go out.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're not going to talk about that. Yeah, Raymond Stewart, he was a pretty good commentator too for Naprang, and then he later joined Radio Fiji. Yeah, I mata u mata, that was his common word, right?
Yes. So anyway, guys, this is Dhiru bhai, this is Sam G, and of course we have our entire team right here at Radio Bula Masti, right here at Newton Athletic Park. We still have some food left, so come and talk to us. And yes, we will be back after for the finals. So
Yes.
Until then, see you guys later.
Well, bro.
या रेडियो बुला मस्ती की ओर से आप सभी का एक बार हम स्वागत करते हैं न्यूटन एथलेटिक पार्क पर, जहां पर BCMA द्वारा किड्स टूर्नामेंट होने जा रही है, नेशंस कप. और आज सुबह 9 बजे शुरू हो करके और कल ले जा करके खत्म होगी. बच्चों का खेल यहाँ हो रहा है, किड्स गेम डिवीजन 10 से लेकर के 18 तक. सो प्लीज कम आउट एंड जॉइन अस इन हियर. रेडियो बुला मस्ती की एंटायर टीम भी यहाँ पर साथ में है. इनसे हमसे आकर के मिलिएगा और यहाँ मस्ती करेंगे हम कुछ देर तक के लिए. और हमारे साथ में यहाँ हमारे डीजे सैम जी भी है रेडियो बुला मस्ती के साथ साथ. BCMA के हमारे कयूम भाई साहब साथ में है. तो कयूम जी कैसा लगता है यहाँ?
Alhamdulillah. First of all, assalamu alaikum everybody. I would like to thank all the parents, players who are here. They're having fun. Families are here as well, and obviously the Bula Masti teams here. I would like to thank everyone coming out and having fun. Inshallah, the tournament started today at 9 a.m. With the U10 boys. So Alhamdulillah, there's team U10 up to U18, and right now their U10 and U12s are almost done, and then now U14 is playing and U16. This will carry on up till 3:15 actually is the final, and I would like to invite all the parents to come over and join us, have fun, talk to Bula Masti team. We're at Newton Athletic Park from till 3:30. So thank you Sister Aisha and the Bula Masti team.
So as Khayyum bhai said that we are actually live here at Newton Athletic Park, which is the corner of 128 and 74. We can miss it. It's a nice big tournament happening at Newton Athletic. Khayyum bhai, so lots of teams actually have played already.
Yes, we started at 9 o'clock, right? So right now actually there are girls team playing right now. Yeah, the game started 9:30 and then first game was at 10 o'clock. So the first part of the tournament was U10 and U12 players, so which is done, alhamdulillah. Now we're doing U14 and U16 tournaments, which will carry up to 3 o'clock.
As we can see behind us, there's lots of turf, steps 1, 2 and 3,
Yes.
and they're all preoccupied. There are lots
Yeah,
of turf
they are
tournaments.
the other side, field number 3 and field number 4. There's premier teams playing. They're on the this side is youth side, their premier side, so they're having their tournament on the other side as well. It's the same Nation Cup. We are the BCMA we're the BCMA Muslim Youth Soccer Tournament, and they are BC Muslim Youth Soccer Tournament. So basically, the BCMA is for youth, and the BC Muslim Sports is for the Premier Team.
For Premier Team, yes. I think I got Dhirubhai who actually wants to join in.
Yeah, he can join on 45 plus team for sure.
Sounds good.
Yeah, he can join on 45.
Okay, good. So we all can.
Actually, we're getting a team. Actually, he can join us. We're getting a team 45 plus. That will be the
Sure.
Masters team. So
let's
you can
get
always
the
be
ball
welcome.
rolling.
Yeah, you'll be almost welcome to join us.
I will have some players who can join actually that team.
Yeah,
So coming back to this tournament right now with the kids. So I guess the registration is closed. No teams. No one is there.
No, for this Nation Cup, the registration is closed. But we had some issues, like there were some players showed up, like they want to play. So I tried my best to fit all them in a team. So Alhamdulillah, there were 12 players, and I got all them in the team to play.
Oh, that's very good.
And the registration is closed. So what we're doing, inshallah, the next skills tournament, which had in July. So next year we're gonna have throughout winter we won't have any tournaments because of due to the weather and fields availability. So what we're doing right now, we're gonna do a skills soccer tournaments again, which will be in after the Rosa, and we'll do it for 1 month, and then after that we're gonna get a registration done so we can play league games for the girls and boys.
And there's those people who want to register for that, they can contact you right now?
They can contact me, they can contact the BCMA Sports, or they can contact Bula Masti teams, Aisha and all Bula Masti team.
Okay, sounds good. I like the idea of the team, they're playing the getting proactive, because summer is just about ending, and of course they want to go for the winter season. So if your kids, what age is that?
That will be from, actually right now we're doing U10 to U18. But next year, inshallah, we'll have U8 team as well.
Okay, good.
Yeah, because we got lots of parents they want us to play in the Nation Cup, so we're gonna make a U8 team, inshallah. That will be girls and boys.
Sounds good. So this is what where we stand right now. Lots of parents actually asking me even to, can we bring my kids? Can we put our kids in here? So you have to pre-register, and remember, we don't want to disappoint anyone. If you guys want bring your kids to join and play, please do contact Brother Qayyum, and of course get hold of one of us. We will make sure you guys can get involved. Yes, Dhirubhai.
All right, so thank you very much, Sam or Qayyumji. So we, the Bula Masti team, are here. We have some surprises for you guys too. If you come out here, talking to our Bula Masti team, we have some giveaways.
Oh,
so we're gonna ask you guys some questions, and if you give us the right answer, you'll get something.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Can I join?
No.
No.
Bula Masti team not allowed.
Okay.
Conflict of interest.
Conflict
So no.
of interest.
Sorry, Sam.
How about we take our entire team and do a little match in the ground?
That's
How
good,
about
that's
that?
it.
Okay, that's a good idea. Let's make a Bula Masti team.
That's
We
Right?
will have a
Yeah, that's right.
How about blue
We are-
team versus this white team?
Yeah.
I think this is good. But anyway, guys, if you guys are watching us live right now on our Bula Masti page, and if you're listening to us online, please do come down at Newton Athletic Park, where the corner of 128 and 74 running live. The presentation is, what time is the presentation?
The final is 3:15. So what we're doing is the U10 team played already, and U12. So we gave them they took the medal, and we had lunch for them, like pizza. So they're all eat and they're all done for the day. So next one will be at 3:15, and we got 2:30 the pizza will arrive here. So inshallah, that will be at 3:15 the presentation.
So sounds good. And as we can see, I can see Islamic Relief of Canada behind us. This police tent set up.
Oh yeah,
There's
we
BCMA set up.
actually we call them, so they come for our safety, for our kids' safety, just to make sure there's no issues, nothing going on. So that's why we call up them to just come over, and since youths are playing, so that's why we want them to be here. They're here just for like till 3 o'clock.
So that's pretty good, Qayyum bhai. I'd like to say thank you again for organizing such a great event. And of course, being Fijian, we love soccer.
That's
and
true.
this feels so great to be out here and watching soccer, kids playing and Premier Division playing. It feels good. And it feels like we are back home watching some IDC
that's right.
or BOG tournament. We know that, right? We know how
that's
it
true.
feels.
Yeah.
So,
That's right.
So again, we like to say thank you. Of course, we're gonna bring later on your team members
sure.
to come and talk to us some more.
Inshallah, we'll talk
And
about it.
those of you who are watching us live, our Bula Masti team is set up here. Come down, and we are running live right here at Newton Athletic Park. So again, we like to say, oh, come down,
Yeah,
right?
come
down,
down.
come
Hi,
down.
Joe.
This is a great event. Lots of kids
आज
actually
जो
walking
थोड़ा हम लोग
around.
मस्ती करेगा और थोड़ा फन करेगा, गाना गाएगा, है ना? थोड़ा सब चीज हो जाए।
गाना गाएगा ना?
हाँ, जब जहाँ पे बुल्ला मस्ती रहते तो जानो वहाँ मस्ती है, होए ना?
Right.
That's what it is.
That's what it is. Yes.
Yeah,
Our name. Our name is. It says Bula Masti on it. So please, guys, watching us live, come down
Yeah.
right now at Newton Athletic Park. It's great weather for soccer. So come down, and we are here. Meet
All
us.
right.
We are behind Turf One. It's
Turf One, right
yeah,
in the
we are behind
grandstand.
Turf One in the grandstand. You come
Grandstand.
down. Our Bula Masti team is set
Yes,
up
sir.
here. And as you can see, we're going live on TV too. So watch
Yeah.
us on Shana TV. Remember, our website is www.shanatv.com, and our radio online is radiobulamasti.com. Of course, not forgetting gkmmedia.com also. We will be going live, running live all everywhere. So again, from Newton Athletic Park, this is your host DJ Sam with Kayum Bhai, Duru Bhai, Arun Bhai, Aisha Ji, and of course Janal Bhai. We like to say thank you, everyone, and see you guys soon. This is what's happening right now. As we can see, it's a tournament going on with the boys playing. This team they just looks like they're just practicing right now. So no, this is actually a game going on, and looks like it's Team Surrey versus some team. But yeah, the games are going on. So we like to say thank you. Yes, beautiful day. Watching live from Edmonton. Naveen Kumar ji, bole enjoy. This is a great day. And Ravnath Nath, yes, thank you very much also for watching. Those of you who are joining us live, this is actually happening at Newton Athletic Park as we speak. It's a great day for soccer. As you can see, the sky is nice and blue. What a great day. So please come down. If you guys are watching, I have to watch for these balls because they were right behind the net, and this ball just keeps coming to us. As you can see, lots of people have turned out here, and great event happening at Newton Athletic Park. So please come down, and we are here live. As you can see, our team is running live. They're still setting. We are setting up, and lots of things are happening. Okay, this looks like a pretty good team, and they keep trying to take shots on us. So we are right behind, and this is what's happening. So come down, guys. Come down to Newton Athletic Park. We are running live right here. So from Newton Athletic Park, this is your host DJ Sam. Yes, Ramu Singh bhai, bola good job Sam bhai. We rock. Yeah, we are always out in the community, try to help and bring the best from what's happening around us. So I hope you guys can come down and enjoy with us right here at Radio Bula Masti with the Team Masti. Team Masti ke saath we will do the Masti. Thank you. See you guys soon. All right.
That was rocking, man. Sam bhai, हम लोग के असली सिंगा भी बैठी थे, relax करे.
क्या हो रहा है यार?
धीरू भाई यार.
Okay, I'm gonna do one song quickly, and I have to go. This is my last song.
Grab this guy, grab this guy.
All right.
He's got the moves.
Brother.
Irshad bhai. Irshad bhai बोला यार. Irshad bhai आ जाओ यार. Irshad bhai. आ जाओ. मस्ताना दीवाना कोई हमसे ना
तेरा मस्ताना मेरा दीवाना कोई हमसे ना पूछे. कैसा बात? Ready? All right, wait. Go, Jimmy boy. Let's do it. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Give it up. All right. This is Team Bula Masti. Oh yes. मस्त समा है आज से सारा जहां है रात खिली मस्त समा है आज से सारा जहां है और शराबी मौसम बहता है रूप तेरा मस्ताना यार मेरा दीवाना कोई हमसे ना हो जाए रूप तेरा मस्ताना यार मेरा दीवाना कोई हमसे ना हो जाए। We love fight in the house, we got Junior in the house, we got Lucky, we got Goodbye, oh my God, we got Janelle, Aisha G, Kayoum.
Oh yeah!
This is Team Musty.
Oh yeah! This is DJ Sam. DJ Sam is here.
Oh yes. रुक रहा है हमको ज़माना दूर ही रहना
अपने वाले से
हमको ज़माना दूर ही रहना पास न आना कैसे मगर कोई तुमको समझाए रूप तेरा मस्ताना यार मेरा दीवाना कोई हमसे ना हो जाए रूप तेरा मस्ताना यार मेरा दीवाना कोई हमसे ना
हो जाए।
Alright, give it up for Team Musty.
Alright, we got DJ Sam here. We got DJ Sam here. Kidu Bhai here. And my lovely Bee. Okay, Bhaiya. It was good, man. Good song, bro. Good song.
Yes, Dhirubhai. Okay.
ये खाते नहीं है घर घुमाओ।
Fast one, fast one.
Okay. Okay.
Hey,
Hey.
electricity वाले।
Yeah, game on.
हम इधर यम्मा अम्मा लिखे यम्मी यम्मी।
ओए देख।
देखना है यार। Enjoying it. This is good. This is better than the game one.
So you have to join us.
Oh, no. That part I have to think about it.
Yeah.
वो सिर्फ नहीं हुआ यार।
Hey DJ, come on bro.
Wait.
Kidu Bhai. ये कौन सी करे यार?
I don't know यार, सेम के काम तुम जनता।
यार।
कल हुआ भुला गया हवा माइक ऑन करे बोले गाना गाओ।
हाँ वही तो। हमें बस माइक में नहीं सुनना।
Check. Okay. Dhirubhai, you gonna start? All right, this one is for everyone in the studio. Okay. अरे भंग
का रंग जमा हो चकाचक फिर लो पान चबाए और ऐसा झटका लगे जिया पे पुनर्जन्म हो जाए। Okay.
That was the Ghana, man. गाना भी रहा हमें नचाई भी दी चलो that was really good हमें नचाई तो वो आदमी सिखाई दो आदमी जहाँ बैठा है कल शो में हमने थोड़ा ट्रेनिंग दे दी beautiful man कल तीन आदमी enjoy करे but right है हम लोग सब enjoy करते हम लोग enjoy हम लोग करें this time is ours है ना this time is ours
Say it again.
this time is ours yeah that's right कोई भी आए ये हम लोग के टाइम है इतना मेहनत करा हम लोग सवेरे से अभी हम लोग के 1 hour हम लोग के एंजॉयमेंट टाइम है let's have fun right भैया we're Bula Masti. We always do fun. When everything is over at the end, we make fun. Oh, Vinny आया. Vinny. Eh, photo नहीं बन गया. Mic तुम आया नहीं यहाँ पर. अच्छा ना ना क्या करो.
ये fun करो.
Class हो गई.
Yeah, you go. Hey, what?
Guys, ready?
जितना चूती ने सब कर देंगे ना.
हाँ? तो पहले तुम मरेगा.
देखना mic बता दीजिए.
Hey, go now, picture से. ये उनके पीछे.
यम्मा 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 ये खूबसूरत समा यम्मा 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 ये खूबसूरत समा बस आज की रात है जिंदगी और हम कहाँ तुम कहाँ कहाँ तुम कहाँ
It was a good one, brother. Thank you, brother Sam DJ, and it was really good. Man, आपका आवाज तो बहुत अच्छा है. आप एकदम मोहम्मद रफीक का है.
Thank you.